And welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you get graphic design resources, graphic design tutorials, graphic design educational videos, and what will help you to develop yourself and grow as a designer. So today we are going to do a design. Okay, so this is the design that I want to try to replicate. Well, it's a quick one. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do wait to subscribe because there are a lot and a lot and a lot of resources that you will get in this on this channel. All right, so I'm going to show you now. I'm going to show you some of them. Okay, so this is my channel, Ni Amuda TV. All right, this is my YouTube channel. These are a few resources for you. All right, you can see them. You can just go and enjoy them. You can see. All right, you can also come here and you get access to all these guys. All right, okay, so all right, so let's see what we can do here. So the first thing that I want to do is to bring in a background. We can create a background, but I just want to use this guy. All right, so let's use this guy. So all you have to do is just to drag it like this to the end, then bring this guy. Right, let's use the one in the middle. Okay, all right, let's copy and do this so I can put it here like that. All right, okay, so let's bring in this guy. Is it okay? Okay, so we can, all right, so we can follow up with the other stuff. So we have, let me open this so that we can just easily copy it very fast. So we have Emmanuel Baptist Church, Malete. So let's begin with that. Emmanuel Baptist Church, Malete. So let's go. All right, so put it there. Let's go with, all right, let's go with that. So check again. We have Christmas Carol 2022. Oh, we can use 2023 actually. So let's just go Christmas Carol 2023. So let's look for one of these fonts that can be used. Let's use this guy. All right. All right, so we can make the color yellow. Okay. All right. Okay. So we'll bring this here. Okay. All right. So we can bring this guy here. Okay. And you can still just reduce it a little. Okay, so copy this. Okay. All right, we can change the fonts to this. All right. I see that now. So we check again. You see, celebration time. That is the theme. Then apart from that, we have December 10th 2022, blah 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 blah. Okay, so let's go. All right, so let's get a shape very fast. All right, change the color to red. Okay, and we can adjust it there. All right, so that will be for the time. All right, so we can bring this guy here, 8 a.m. All right, so let's use the bold version. All right, so we can copy this now and put it there. So let's just put this 10th December 2023. Alright, so let's just stretch it out. Space. Space. Alright, so let's add a background to it. Okay. Top padding and bottom padding, and then we can just give it a small radius there. Alright, so then we can come here and get the, let me make this some tick. Alright, so for here we have the address, Benue Baptist Church. Alright, so let me just copy it. Alright, let me just copy here. Alright. Let's see. Alright, so copy from here and you post it here. Alright, so I'm going to break from here. Alright, so I'm going to select the top and I'll use bold black for it. Okay. Alright, so I'll copy this guy and we'll use it for the venue. Okay, so I'll come over here, I'll change the color to this, and then I would reduce this to, right. We can adjust this here. Okay, then we can bring in a shape, just a line around this as this. Okay, then we'll bring it down. Okay, so copy it. I'll move this other guy here. Alright, let's get this guy in. P, this, and this. Alright, so it's downloading. So let's also get a lighting effect. So let's use stickers. Go to stickers, look for any sticker here that is shining. Let's use this. This is too much. Let's look for something else. Okay, let's work with that. So this sticker here, we can put it there. Right, we may not be able to change the color. Alright, we're not able to change the color, so that's why I don't want it. So let's get this guy. Okay. not that. I can copy this. I'll put it there. Alright. Bring this to the front. Bring this to the front. Alright, so we can also come here and do this. Alright, so this guy will be at the middle of the whole stuff. Okay. Alright. So that we can move this here a little. Alright. So I wanted those shiny stuff to be yellowish, but I couldn't really get it. So we can work with this. Alright. Okay, you can see how easy it is to prepare this slide, this hang. Alright, so this you're done. My name is Niyamuda. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share with your friends, and also come back for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you in another tutorial. When you're done with your design, you can click on Save Project. Ensure you save it with the right name. Okay. Then you can go ahead and save your design. When you are done saving your design, you can just try to edit it using Snapseed. Now, just a click will help you to bring this design to life. Go to Pop, click on Pop, and this is what you will get. Alright, then when you're done, you can go ahead and click on Export and then save. My name is Niyamuda, and I will see you in another tutorial. Tell me where you're watching from.